I have 4 slides that give an overview of the different things I'm doing in energy and energy-related areas. So it's kind of an overview of who I am and what I do, and I welcome conversations and collaborations. But so I'm a chemical engineer. I work mostly in environmental biotechnology, in related area, waste treatment, and so on. And I'm in Hudson Hall. I have my lab and office over there. I've been at Duke since 2008. And as I said, I do a lot of work in remediation and waste processing, collecting energy from waste. Actually, there's enough people in this room to power this meeting. Maybe not the powerful light, but we all produce about 25 watts of energy on a continuous basis. And it's kind of a motivation for several of my projects. So those are some of my areas. I'm also wearing a second hat, which is I'm the director of the energy engineering minor or program. And this is one of the educational efforts in energy engineering in Pratt. And those are just a few pictures of my research. So a few projects that I want to highlight here that are relevant. I'm working with Tanya, who's over there, on Duke pig waste to energy project, and it's driven by carbon offsets and a number of other things. It's a big digester that takes the hog manure and converts it to biogas. I have a project linked to sanitation in developing countries, and we're taking human waste and converting it to biogas, and we use the biogas to heat sterilize that waste. And we've done the proof of concept, and we're going to be in Kenya doing a field demonstration this summer. And we're starting a large project from the Gates Foundation using supercritical oxidation to treat waste in urban poor. And the idea is depicted here, a container unit that will take the waste and turn it into energy in clean water. And Jay Golden is doing the business model, this very interesting aspect of how the technology can be developed, implemented, and also be developed into a useful value chain. The overarching objectives there are to optimize performance, energy generation, environmental and human benefits. I do a lot of work also in bioreactors for air pollution control, and one of the potential killer app is sweetening of energy gases, removing H2S, but we can remove a number of pollutants from gases using bacteria. And this is a very green way of doing gas processing. I have interest, but we don't have anything active yet on CO2 capture, and I think at it in terms of biocatalytic capture, very much like we do convert pollutants using gas phase bioreactors. And this leads into photobioreactors, algal ponds, and biofuels. And lastly, here related to fracking, can we treat fracking reject water and maybe reuse it? We've been brainstorming ideas in our departments. So what are the things that we could bring to collaborations? We're very good at dealing with gases. Very good at analyzing and dealing with gases, handling fluids, building our own systems. We also have a capability of making micro measurements in films and biofilms. And we're engineers. We're making systems, data acquisition with controls. I really look at it from an applied perspective, but integrating fundamentals. So we do process engineering. We're doing a fair amount of modeling, usually solving a bunch of differential equations. But we also do some non-conceptual modeling using artificial neural networks. And that's my contact information. And